Welcome to English literature class, dear students of class 11. Now here at line number 323, the speech of Antonio. Here Act 2 Scene 1 is going on. Line number 323. The speech of Antonio. Antonio says, draw together. Let us draw our swords. Let us draw our swords. And when I rear my hand, do you the like to fall it on Gonzalo? Draw together, and when I raise my hand, you do the same to strike at Gonzalo. When I will raise my sword to kill Alonso, you do the same to strike at Gonzalo. Sebastian says, oh, but one word. Wait, let me say one more word to you. They converse apart. They conversing apart. Re-enter Ariel invisible. Ariel says, my master through his art foresees the danger that you his friend are in and sends me forth, for else his project dies to keep them living. Ariel says, through his magic, my master knows the danger to you, Miss Gonzalo, his friend. Through his magic, my master, Prospero, knew that Gonzalo, who is his best friend, is in danger. He has sent me to keep these men alive, because otherwise his plan would fail. And sends me forth, for else his project dies, to keep them living. He has sent me to keep these men alive. These men means Gonzalo and Alonso, because otherwise his plan would fail. Sings in Gonzalo's ear. Ariel sings. Invisible sings. While you hear, do snoring lie, open-eyed conspiracy, stand those take, if of life you keep a care, shake off slumber and beware, awake, awake. While you are sleeping here, crafty plotters, cunning plotters are choosing the time to strike. They are setting the time to strike. If you care for your life, shake off your sleep, and be cautious, be awake, awake, awake. Antonio says, then let us both be sudden. Then let us act promptly. Attack on them immediately without any delay. Gonzalo waking. When Gonzalo listened the song, he wakes up. Now, good angels, preserve the king. To Sebastian and Antonio. Why, how now? To Alonso. Ho, awake. To Sebastian and Antonio. Why are you down? Where of this ghastly looking? Gonzalo wakes up. Now may good angels save the king. To Sebastian and Antonio says, why? What is it? What is it? To Alonso, wake you up, wake up, wake up. To Sebastian and Antonio, why have you drawn your swords? Gonzalo says to Sebastian and Antonio, why have you drawn your swords? Why are you looking so disturbed, so perturbed? Alonso says, waking. Alonso also wakes up. What's the matter? What is the matter? Sebastian says, whilst we stood, now they are telling a lie. Whilst we stood here securing your repose, even now we heard a hollow burst of bellowing like bulls, or rather lions. Did not wake you. It struck mine ear most terribly. As we stood here, they told a lie. As we stood here, guarding your sleep, Sebastian says to Alonso. As we stood here, guarding your sleep, we heard a roaring sound like that of bulls, or rather of lions. Whether it may be lion, it may be bull. Did it wake up you? It entered my ear with utmost terror. It entered my ear with utmost terror. Alonso says, I heard nothing. I did not listen. I did not hear anything. Antonio says, oh, it was a din to fright a monster's ear, to make an earthquake. Sure, it was the roar of a whole herd of lions. Antonio says, oh, it was such a terrible sound that could frighten even a monster or could cause an earthquake. It was surely the roaring of a whole herd of lions. He also told a lie. Alonso says, heard you this, Gonzalo? Alonso wants to confirm. Gonzalo, did you hear the sound, Gonzalo? Gonzalo says, upon mine honor, sir, I heard a humming, and that a strange one too, which did awake me. I shaked you, sir, and cried as mine eyes opened. I saw their weapons drawn. There was a noise. That is verily, that is best we stand upon our guard, or that we quit this place. Let's draw our weapons. Gonzalo says, I swear by my honor, sir, that I heard a strange humming noise, which woke me. I shook you and cried out, and as I opened my eyes, I saw their swords drawn. There was certainly some noise. It is better for us to remain alert. We should remain alert, or else go away from here. Let us draw our swords. Alonso says, lead off this ground and let us make further search for my poor son. Alonso says, lead us away from here and let us make a search for my poor son. Gonzalo says, heavens keep him from these beasts, for he is sure in the island. Gonzalo says, may God protect him from these beasts. These beasts means Antonio and Sebastian. Alonso leads the way. Gonzalo says, may God protect him from these beasts, for he is surely on this island. Alonso says, lead the way, exit with the others. Ariel says, Prospero, my lord shall know what I have done. So, king, so safely on to seek thy son. Ariel says, Prospero, my lord will be told what I have done. So, king, now go safely to search for your son. So, king, now go safely to search for your son. Exit. They exit. And by this way, Act 2, Scene 1 is completed. I will start soon. Act 2, Scene 2. Act 2, Scene 1 is the portion. Act 1, complete Act 1, and Act 2, Scene 1 will be the portion of your half-yearly examination. So, my dear student, prepare it, and if there is any problem, please ask me. Thank you so much.